Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ooh, I'm actually like filming and uploading stuff. I look like shit right now, but that's nothing new. So today I'm gonna be doing the transformation videos where you literally go from like 0 to 100, or like you turn yourself into an Insta baddie or a gritty girl. I don't know, you know. I thought, why not hop on this trend and try to make myself look decent, because right now I'm looking wretched as fuck. I shouldn't be cussing on this channel. But yeah, I put on fake tan yesterday. As you can see, my hands are way like darker than my face. I don't know about my neck and my rest of my buds, but like I'm no professional. What I'm gonna do is gonna go take a shower, because it's gotta look good, right? Gonna do my nails because they're ratchet right now. Like I'm gonna give myself a manicure and then paint them, I guess, for like tomorrow and today's video, I guess. I don't know. And then I'm gonna come back. Well, I'm obviously gonna show you what I'm doing at some parts, not everything, because it'd be quite boring, wouldn't it? Before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I'm gonna be uploading way more. And yeah, if you just want to watch my videos, just stay subscribed and stuff. YouTube is being stupid right now, so thanks YouTube. Really appreciate it. You're so cute. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm still really tan, even though I try to wash it off. Anyway guys, I am back from my wee shower. It's here. Like, this is an issue. Oh well. So now, since my face and skin is like quite dry and I just put like toner on it and everything. So I'm gonna go and apply a mask, and this is gonna take about 15 to 20 minutes. Oh, this is, oh my fucking hell. This is so cold. I'm gonna leave this on for 20 minutes because I want my face to be snatched. Yeah, so I got my timer on. Let's go make some coffee. Here, I look. Oh my god, I look so bad. I'm gonna show you guys how I make my coffee. You're gonna find me really weird, but. So I'm gonna take some almond milk, because I try to use less of like actual milk because it breaks me out. Basically pour the almond milk into a glass, like so, and then I put it in the microwave for a minute to heat it up. I'm gonna be fat. I'm gonna have myself a Kinder milk slice. Shit, I just said I can't have milk products. So I just basically pour the milk in my coffee and I'm done. I look like a Patushka ball. Oh my. The time is up and I can finally look normal. I'm gonna do my makeup now, but I'm gonna like not explain it to you because like you've seen me do my makeup many times. Okay guys, so my makeup is done. I need to do my hair and I need to dress up. So I think I'm gonna go do my hair and come back because I don't think you guys want to hear a blow dryer and stuff. So I'm gonna go do that and then I'm gonna dress up and come back and be like, well, what's up? I didn't do my nails. Here I thought stitching I was done, my transformation, and I forgot to do my nails. Am I gonna do them? No, I'm not really bothered to be honest. I'm probably gonna do them like at nighttime. Maybe, I don't know, but this is me. Am I hundo yet? I don't know. To be fair, I only straightened half of my hair because I was lazy to straighten the top of this because I was gonna put it up in a bun anyways. So yeah. By the way, I'm wearing literally everything Fashion Nova. I didn't plan to, but it just kind of worked. This top is basically from Fashion Nova. It's like a see-through mesh with like roses on top, and like the crop top under it is just plain black one. Fashion Nova, and my jeans are Fashion Nova too. My belt is from Penny's Primark or whatever you want to call it. I'm just gonna do a close-up of how my makeup looks. Basically, this is what I did. I'm probably gonna do this makeup look tomorrow for my concert. So this is the Fashion Nova top. These are the dreams. You can see me in my mirror. Skirt. Basically, this is my outfit. This is the top, jeans with this big ass cut, and I'm wearing my boots. They're like very dirty. So yeah guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, all that jazz, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday with a vlog because I'm gonna be filming my Jeremy Zucker experience. It's gonna be fun. So yeah, see you later alligator. Skadoodles.